The Proceeds of Crime Investigation Division was inaugurated today at the old police headquarters building in Colombo. The inauguration ceremony was presided over by Minister of Public Security and Parliamentary Affairs Anand Vijaypala and Inspector General of Police Priyantha Veerasurya. This new division is being established for investigative purposes in accordance with the provisions of the Proceeds of Crime Act No. 5 of 2025. The main objectives of this act are to establish provisions for the investigation, prohibition, seizure and disposal of proceeds of crime and establish an authority for their management. In addition, it aims to assist victims of crime and retrieve assets acquired through crime which are being held abroad.
The Act has been drafted so that its provisions will be effective retrospectively, allowing authorities to take action on offences committed prior to its enactment. If someone is in possession of assets acquired as proceeds of crime, this Act provides a framework for the legal measures that can be taken in that regard. There are occasions where we cannot determine the financial value of some assets. For example, consider a wedding ceremony held at a cost of 50 million rupees where the expenses were paid with illegally obtained money. In this case, the financial value cannot be recovered directly. In such cases, under a special clause, the law enables the authorities to seize a different property owned by the perpetrator that has equal value. There's another special clause. Even if an individual is acquitted of a drug trafficking charge, under this law, it is still possible to confiscate properties obtained through such crimes. 2 days ago, we found a major drug smuggler in the south using a bank account belonging to a shaman to conduct business transactions worth about 330 million rupees within 9 to 10 months. Following that, we located 2 bank accounts through which over 1 billion rupees worth of transactions had been conducted. I don't think there is any other law in Sri Lanka as powerful as this. Maximum power has been granted to the police, but do not abuse it, use it for the betterment of the public and to establish the rule of law in the country. The public must feel that the law is being enforced. The public should also feel that punishments fit the crime. Even if there are no new laws, I believe we can suppress organized crime and smuggling of narcotics to a certain extent through this act. This nation has lost a great amount of wealth. Even though we have obtained $8 billion in project loans, we only have assets worth less than $2 billion. What happened to the other $6 billion worth of assets? Someone has acquired them. We can retrieve them through this act. Certain individuals financially benefited through the central bank bond scam. I believe those investigations can be made more efficient through this division.